guys, I'm starting a new video series on computer science for GCSE. So today I'll be discussing about the course content and discuss a little bit about our first topic. Let's get started. So computer science for GCSE. So the course content, so we'll be kicking it off with programming with Python first, and then go on to fundamentals of algorithms, fundamentals of data representation, computer systems, cybersecurity, databases in SQL, and ethical and legal environmental impacts of technology. So we're going to start off with the programming with Python section now. So you need to know what programming is first. So programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that a computer can follow to perform a specific task. These instructions can be written in a programming language such as Python, and there are many programming languages, each with its own strengths and use cases. So for example, Python is very readable, so it's suitable for beginners. And then you have Java, which has its use cases with mobile development. And then you have JavaScript, which is useful for web development and making mobile applications as well. So there are two main different types of programming languages. So it can be categorized into high-level programming language and low-level programming languages. So understanding the difference between these types is very important, as there's no one better type. So you'll need to use different types in different projects and different parts of projects as well sometimes. So high-level programming languages are designed to be easily readable for humans, so it's closer to human language. For example, Python, even if you don't know how to program it, you can kind of get a gist by looking at things. So you'll see that when we start programming with Python. And this allows developers to focus on the logic and like how to build the program rather than thinking about the code. And if you have a new teammate, for example, in your team, it'll be easier for them to understand the code because they can get a good grasp of it because it's very readable. And this allows for rapid development. And then you have low-level programming languages, which are closer to machine language. This means that it's faster and that the programmers have more control over hardware and memory usage. This makes it suitable for applications that require lots of performance and need to load up very fast, or just be fast in general, or use less energy. An example of this is C. So this is just an overview of the programming section of this course. So we will kick it off with data types in the next lesson and variable and constant declaration. So see you there. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.